as public interest in the Epstein files continues to grow, many people have been asking whether former US President Barack Obama is connected to the records. The question has emerged largely because the files contain the names of several high-profile figures, leading to heightened curiosity and online speculation about which public personalities may appear in the documents and which do not. The Epstein files include a wide range of emails, contact records, and other materials that reference well-known individuals from politics, business, and entertainment. As these names circulate online, some users have assumed that other globally recognized figures might also be involved. This has fueled repeated claims and questions on social media about Barack Obama's presence in the files. However, based on all verified and publicly available records, Barack Obama is not part of the Epstein files. His name does not appear in Epstein's flight logs, email communications, contact lists, or court documents. There is no evidence of meetings, correspondence, or any form of association between Obama and Jeffrey Epstein. Researchers and officials reviewing the Epstein materials have consistently emphasized an important point. Even when a person's name appears in the files, it does not automatically indicate criminal activity or wrongdoing. In Obama's case, there is not even a documented mention tying him to Epstein or to any of the activities detailed in the released records. Claims suggesting otherwise have largely originated from online rumors, misinterpretations, or deliberate misinformation. The continued spread of unverified claims highlights the challenges that come with releasing large volumes of raw archival data to the public. While the files are intended to promote transparency, experts urge caution, reminding the public to distinguish between confirmed facts and speculation. At present, there is no factual or documentary basis to connect Barack Obama to Jeffrey Epstein or to the Epstein files in any capacity. As the review of the Epstein records continues, authorities encourage the public to rely on credible sources and verified documentation, and to avoid drawing conclusions based solely on online discussions or assumptions.